Hello everyone, how to improve your Google AdSense campaigns or digital marketing in Google AdSense by coding. Why you want to do this? Enable campaigns and groups keywords based on performance or budget, and can adjust bids or budget based on external factors such as whether stock or competitors. Generate custom reports, apply labels or rules to your campaigns, add groups or keywords based on criteria, and so many much. So how to do this? You need to know JavaScript, of course, in JavaScript for coding JavaScript, and any programming language such as JavaScript. It includes variables, functions, loops, conditional statements, arrays, and objects. When you deal with this, you can use the JavaScript. How to use it? Google AdSense. You have to go to Google AdSense in this link. This one, not AdSense. Add this. Okay, and copy this and go to your Google Chrome or Firefox and press Control V and then enter. If you get this error, which is ER blocked by client, you have to press Control Shift and N, and I will leave a video for this error in the description. You can pressing Control Shift and N, you can use this Ignogenito. If it's you don't have, there is extension to add in your Google Chrome. So here you will press and you have to sign in using your Gmail. After this you can get this one, and then search for tools. This is the tools, and then in tools search for bulk actions, this one, bulk actions, and in bulk actions press scripts, and here you can add your script. New script here, new script, and here you copy and paste the code you written or you searched about for suitable for your campaign. So here is the JavaScript code coming here. Editor script, you can copy this or copy from here and then go to back to your script area, and then control here, control A, okay, control V. Okay, so here you can run this code, you can save and then run this code. So here run with that or preview, first preview. So here if you have any errors and adjust your code. Okay, but here the problem was that there is a need authorize here, and then select all here, okay, and then continue, and so we apply this will enhance your keywords. You can write and ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek about any creativity you need to do for developing your digital marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask and I reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.